Cash App is required by U.S. financial regulations to verify the identity of its users. This verification is necessary for several reasons. Regulatory compliance: Cash App must comply with anti-money laundering laws and the USA Patriot Act, which require financial platforms to confirm user identities. Fraud prevention: identity verification helps prevent scams, fake accounts, unauthorized financial activity, and identity theft. Tax reporting: if you receive over certain amounts, for example, $600 in Bitcoin sales or other taxable transactions, Cash App is required to report this to the IRS and uses your SSN for tax forms, like Form 1099K. User identification: your SSN helps identify the correct account owner, distinguishing users with similar names. What you can do without verification: you may be able to use some basic Cash App features without entering your SSN. Unverified accounts have limited access and can only spend from a linked debit card. What requires verification? To unlock higher sending limits, direct deposit, Cash App card features, Bitcoin access, and additional financial services. Cash App requires full identity verification, features locked behind verification. Sending or receiving more than $1,000 over a 30-day rolling period. Sending or receiving more than $1,500 total, ordering a Cash App card. Buying Bitcoin or stocks, sponsoring someone ages 13 to 17, connecting your accounts. The verification process: Cash App may ask you to provide legal full name, date of birth, last four digits of your SSN or ITIN. In some cases, the full SSN, residential address, government-issued, photo ID, driver's license, passport, or state ID, income verification or source of funds in some cases. Steps to verify: open the Cash App and tap your profile icon. Go to Personal or Personal Information. Find Identity Verification and select Verify. Enter your personal information accurately. Upload clear photos of your government-issued ID, ensure all corners are visible and lighting is good. Some users may be asked to complete facial verification. Submit and wait for review. Review typically takes 24 to 48 hours, but in some cases may take up to 72 hours. Cash App will notify you in-app when verification is complete. Important security note: always enter your information through the official Cash app. Cash App support will never ask for your SSN, sign-in code, PIN, or request payments via email, text, or phone. Never share your SSN outside the official app. If you run a business or plan to start one, consider that Cash App is primarily designed for personal use and may not offer the full business banking features you need.